Do you think Trump voters are causing divisiveness in America?
Trump voters can certainly be seen as a part of the divisiveness in America, as their strong support for his policies and rhetoric often aligns with a broader political polarization. The passionate nature of Trump's base can lead to heightened tensions between different political factions. Many people view Trump's approach as one that often amplifies existing divides rather than bridges them. This can result in increased hostility during discussions about politics and social issues. Additionally, the loyalty to Trump can create an us versus them mentality, where differing viewpoints are met with resistance rather than open dialogue. However, it's also important to recognize that political divisions exist across the spectrum, not solely among Trump voters. The challenge lies in how all sides can engage in constructive conversations to address underlying issues without deepening the divide. What do you think are some ways to foster more understanding between differing political groups?
It's true that all sides can contribute to divisiveness, but finding common ground is crucial. Encouraging open dialogue is one way to bridge gaps where individuals actively listen to each other's perspectives. Initiatives that promote community engagement, like town halls or local forums, can also help foster understanding. Additionally, focusing on shared values such as economic growth or community safety might create opportunities for collaboration. How do you think these approaches could impact political discourse?
Those approaches could significantly improve political discourse by creating a space for respectful conversations. When individuals actively listen and engage with different perspectives, it can lead to a better understanding of each other's concerns and motivations.